안녕하세요. 여러분의 한국어 파트너 아루사입니다. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5월 8일은 어버이날이에요. In this video, I'll introduce traditional Korean practices for Parents' Day, how Koreans celebrate this special day, as well as what presents Korean families prefer to give to their parents. Plus, you will learn vocabulary and expressions related to the activities of the day. Let's learn how Koreans honor their parents. How do you celebrate Parents' Day? 어버이날 어떻게 보내세요? Literally translated, how do you spend Parents' Day? 보내다, to spend. Celebrate in Korean, 기념하다. But usually in spoken Korean, we don't usually use 기념하다 for this expression. Instead, we use 어버이날 기념 행사, like Parents' Day celebration event. 기념 행사, or you can see this expression in written Korean. Activity number 1. 카네이션을 사요. We buy this specific flower to pin it to our parents' clothing. Little kids make carnations out of paper at schools. I remember making them. 부모님 가슴에 달아드려요. 부모님, 부모, parents. By adding 님, the honorific, we show our respect. 부모님. 가슴, chest. 가슴에, on the chest. 달다, to hang. 달다, 주다, to give. Combine, 달아주다 is the base form, but we need polite language. So, 달아드리다, 달아드려요. 카네이션을 사요. 부모님 가슴에 달아드려요. Let's combine these two sentences. 카네이션을 사서 부모님 가슴에 달아드려요. 사다. We put 서 after 사, the verb stem. 사서 means buy and. But these days, more and more people buy a basket of flowers with carnation. Number 2. 선물을 사요. We buy presents. 부모님께 선물을 드려요. 부모님께. 께 is another honorific which means to. So if you say to your friend, then 친구에게. But we want to show our respect, so we say 부모님께. 부모님에게, 부모님께 is adequate. 친구에게, 나에게. But actually, 에게 is usually for written language. For conversational Korean, we say 친구한테, 나한테. 친구한테 꽃을 줘요. 부모님께 선물을 드려요. 드리다, the polite language of 주다. So, what are the most popular presents for parents? Let's take a look at them. Yes, money is one of the most practical and valuable gifts in Korean culture. And this is K-money wrapping. Health supplements are ranked in second place for gift giving in Korea.
홍삼은 몸에 좋아.
홍삼 is one of the most popular health supplements. Number 3. 가족 식사를 해요. We have a family dinner. 가족 식사, family dinner. 온 가족이 모여요. All family members get together. 모여요. Gather, get together. 식사를 해요. Have a meal. So let's combine these two sentences. 모여요, remove 요, and put 서. 모여서. 온 가족이 모여서 식사를 해요. This is my family's dinner on Sunday, one day before Parents' Day. We roasted eels this time. My mom's hearty food. We always ask parents, 뭐 드시고 싶으세요? 뭐 드시고 싶으세요? Very polite language. But to your friends, you say, 뭐 먹고 싶어? Casual polite. 뭐 먹고 싶어요? Let's learn additional expressions. 감사를 표하다. 감사, gratitude or appreciation. 표하다, to show or to express. So, it means to express gratitude. 저는 시청자님께 감사를 표하고 싶습니다. I'd like to show my appreciation to viewers. And let's take a look at a dialogue. 곧 어버이날이네요. Parents' Day is coming soon. 곧 means soon. 네, 선물 샀어요? Yes. Have you got presents yet? 샀어요? Since the present perfect tense doesn't exist in Korean, we just use the past tense. 샀어요? Remember 쌍시옷 to make the past tense? 사다, 쌍시옷 샀다. 샀어요? 선물 샀어요? 아직요, not yet. 뭐가 좋을까요? What would be good? 좋을까요? 홍삼이 최고죠. 홍삼 is the best. 최고죠. The best. 더 좋은 게 있어요? 더 좋은 게. Better things. 있어요? 있어요 can be used as do you have, but here is there, are there expression. 있어요? Are there any better things? 더 좋은 게 있어요? 글쎄요, 현찰이 최고죠. Not sure. Well, cash is the best. 현찰 means cash. 저는 현찰하고 옷 사드리려고요. I'm gonna buy clothes for them and cash. 아이고, 부모님 좋아하시겠네요. 아이고 is a Korean expression to show surprise, frustration, and agreement. It's like oh my god or oh no in English. Let's suppose I spill some coffee on my laptop. I go. Or let's suppose my coworker got me a cup of coffee. Then I say, 아이고 고마워요. 아이고 고마워요. Yeah, 부모님 좋아하시겠네요. Your parents must be happy, must be thrilled. 좋아하시겠네요. So remember, by putting she, we can make the polite language. By putting 겠네, we can express deduction. 좋아하시겠네요. Let's make it a casual expression. 좋겠다. Oh, you haven't heard it from previous lesson, right? 좋겠다. You must be happy. 좋겠다. 좋겠어요. 좋아하시겠어요. 제가 사드리면 매번 교환하셔서 if I get them something, every time they exchange it to another thing. 사드리면 buy and give. 사드리면 매번 every time 교환하다 to exchange. 백화점 모시고 갈 거예요. 백화점 모시고 갈 거예요. I will take them to a department store. 백화점, department store. 모시다, to bring. This is the polite language for 데려가다. 데려가다. When you take your parents or elder people, you say 모시다. 모시고 갈 거예요. I'm going to go. 갈 거예요. 저는 그냥 용돈 많이 드리려고요. 그냥, just. 용돈? 용돈 is allowance, pocket money. So we usually use this term 용돈 when we give some money to our parents. Or even to your children. 용돈 주세요. Your children could say. 용돈 드리려고요. To my parents. 저희 부모님은 그걸 제일 좋아하세요. 저희 부모님. My parents. 내 부모님. You're talking to others, so you say 저희 부모님은. Like you say 제 이름은 저는, right? Our parents, my parents, 저희 부모님. 그걸, 그것을 제일 좋아하세요. Like most. 여러분은 어때요? 어버이날 어떻게 보내세요? Feel free to brag about your Korean skills in the comments. It'll be fun to share how people around the world honor their parents. I would be happy to provide corrections if needed. If you liked this video, please hit 좋아요 and 구독. 고맙습니다. 안녕.